Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Telegram too many attempts. Please try again later in iPhone or any Android. If you're using any iPhone or any Android phone and you're facing this type issue that whenever you try to log in or sign up with your Telegram account, you see an error that too many attempts. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing you just have to go back and you have to open your app store, go for search and search for Telegram, and you just have to make sure that you're using the updated version of Telegram app. There's no any pending updates for your Telegram. If you find that, as you can see, I have a pending update, so you just have to try to update your app. So once you have updated, your issue will be fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue, so you can also try to switch between your Wi-Fi cellular data or try to connect with the strongest and stable network connection. And once you have connected, you just have to go back, go to settings, then go to general and go to VPN device management, and you just have to make sure that your VPN is not connected. If you're connected to any VPN, just try to disconnect with that. After disconnecting your VPN, you have to retry to log in to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issue, so open your settings app, go to general, go to iPhone storage here, just look for Telegram app, and you just have to try to offload your app, or you can also try to delete your app. If you can't find, you have to go to the search section and just search for Telegram and you'll get that app. So you can try to offload your app, or you can also try to delete the app. After offloading or deleting, just simply try to reinstall the app. And once your app has been reinstalled, your issue must be fixed. If there will be any bug or any malware into your Telegram app, it will be fixed in this step and you'll not get the issue again. Or if you're still facing the same issues, it might be that you have tried a lot of times, so you just have to try to don't log in for up to 24 hours, so it will refresh the login attempts for your Telegram account. So after 24 hours you have to retry to log in with your account will be successfully logged in without any issue. So in this way you can easily fix Telegram too many attempts. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.